The world is developing. Has the individual kept pace with this development? Where is the individual? Who is looking into the individual? What you must understand is no one has paid heed to this fabulous creature, the individual sitting here. India has paid heed to the individual. Thousands of years back, this philosophy has been brought up. But no one was able to keep up pace with that. And what is this philosophy about? It's called Veda and Anta. Veda means knowledge, Anta means end. Veda is the knowledge which introduces yourself to yourself. Every university in the United States, every university in India, even in India, hardly people know about Vedanta. They know about religiosity, they know about rituals, but not many people know about the Vedanta philosophy. Nowhere in the world. So you go to Harvard, you go to Stanford, you get a finance degree, you get an engineering degree, you get an IT degree, but that does not teach you how to live your life. That does not teach you how to find peace with your partner. That does not teach you how to raise your children. This subject, the Bhaja Govindam, is that philosophy. It's a handbook of life. These 5 days, we are going to be talking practically what is an individual's life from the time the individual is born to the time he dies or she dies. What is your life's journey from birth to death? Bhaja means seek. Govindam means that self.